what I want to do is actually add some more onto his body here. So let's look at how to do that, because we have a little trouble area coming. We've got this area in here that's going to cause us some difficulties. So let's see if we can start to deal with those. Turn on our sketch of our body again. Go top plane, open another sketch, convert entities, close off or hide plane 2, sketch 2. Convert these entities. I think I'll also add a line. I'm going to make a line from up here in his shoulder area. I think that's a good stopping point for what I want to do on the lofts here. And trim entities. We'll power trim everything away that's not his body. There. That should work. I'm going to go back over here to plane 8 and open a new sketch on plane 8. And then I'm going to grab this edge and convert entities, this edge and convert entities, and now make it perpendicular so I can see it well. And I'm going to do a spline in here. I'm going to take my spline from up on top in here. Let's start coming down, say there, here, 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 and over in here someplace. And I'll end that spline. And we'll adjust the spline. Be a little more smooth and flowing. We'll agree to this spline, and then we will also trim out this area and this area. So there's my contour, combining the leg and the tail. Again, we'll start with top plane, insert, geometry. We'll grab this line out here, and it popped a plane in because we have perpendicular set. Open a sketch on that plane, turn it perpendicular to it, or normal to it. I don't like looking through these legs here. I'll push that button again and it flips it around. And I'll just pop a spline in here. Again, he's got a front leg coming through out here, and then it probably goes back a little bit, and then a large shouldered area. And again, this is something that, for purposes of demonstration, I'm going very quickly. And those can be modified at my leisure. Let's make sure we got it. Existing relations, I'm going to pull him out to this point. Now he's definitely coincident with that point. You can see I tried, but I missed when I was aiming at this. I can make those coincident. force it if I have to. And agree to my sketch. Just like the tail and the leg, this needs to be on its own sketch. This needs to be on its own sketch. So, top plane again, sketch. Grab this, convert entities, agree to it. Top plane, sketch, his backbone, convert entities, agree to it, and we've got it. Lofted surface, sketch 35. Now notice the green balls here are on opposite corners of my sketch, so it cannot figure out how to do that profile. So just click on the green ball, drag it to the other side, let go of it, and you have the tiger body. Guide curves. Sketch 36, sketch 37, and we're singing. And again, as we feel we need, we can grab a right click on this and add a loft section to this curve. Move or drop it down, edit curve, sketch 39, edit the sketch. We'll give him a little flatter tummy in here. Pull this down a little bit. And what it's done on the loft section is it's actually broken it into 3 separate loft sections here. And so that's why one of these points is actually a double. I could make it loop back over on top of itself, which would be completely wrong for our tiger. And of course you can play this game all day long. Until you get the results that you want. There, that's purely a guess. But let's agree to it and see if it worked. Alright. Well, he's got a little flatter tummy now. And we can give him as big of shoulder development as we need.